6 months coming back. Future human exploration of Mars will be a stepwise progression, starting here on Earth analogs, learning how to test systems and how things operate. Constellation systems that we're developing today will feed in very nicely to future human exploration of Mars. Launching the Orion capsule fits in perfectly in terms of delivering crew to low Earth orbit, up to 6 crew. The space station fits in terms of being a very vital test bed for human operations in space. Future systems that we're going to land on the surface of the moon, the habitats, the pressurized rovers, the power systems, all of those elements will be, if not identical, very similar to the systems that we'll actually take to Mars. So everything we're doing today within Constellation has a very strong feed forward from the space station to the moon, all the way to future human exploration of Mars. We don't have a firm time frame of when we might send humans to Mars, but we know it's going to be a few decades in the future. That means that today's children who are just entering elementary school may actually be the actual astronauts who fly those missions. So inspiring children to pursue math and science is very vital that we keep that going, so those children can actually be the ones that explore Mars.
You know, that's one of the tasks that NASA has for humanity, is to start to extend our presence off this planet. Unlike the past, where many of the children did not have an expectation that humanity was moving in that direction, the current generation does. It is part of their culture. And so I think we'll be well positioned for that as long as we prepare them for all the things that are necessary, that, you know, we commit to education and preparing them for the skills that it's necessary to go there.
I think a lot about the longevity of the Constellation program. I have a 5-year-old daughter. She has her little Orion mock-up, like many of the children of people that work in the Constellation program. And so I think a lot about the legacy that we leave in these early missions and how that will evolve over time and be the space program that my daughter will inherit and her daughter and son will inherit someday. I think that's where a lot of the pride in what we do is that we feel like we are, in fact, the folks that are keeping that alive for our children.
So we're now looking at a process of human movement out into the solar system, which has more than just technical implications. It has sociological implications in terms of technology development, in terms of inspiration of youth, in terms of demonstrating leadership in the world, in terms of creating new opportunities for economics and economical development in space, and scientific implications.
From Earth orbit to the moon, to Mars and beyond, Constellation is taking a vision for space exploration and turning it into a strategic mission plan. To extend our human presence farther than we have in the past, Constellation will overcome many challenges, make new discoveries, push technology, and write new chapters in space history, one destination at a time. Along every planned step of our journey, we will not only try to answer the mysteries of our solar system, but also satisfy our human desire to explore.
This is Mission Control Houston, and you are watching a video about the Constellation program, which